Hello, children. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope everyone are safe at home, stay safe, and get prepared for your essay 1 test. Okay, so it is very important. So, study well. So, ma'am have already explained you about essay 1 exam, and also part 1 revision we have completed. In part 1 we have seen all the book back exercise. In part 2, see, we are going to see the remaining part, that is meanings and the question answers. Okay, children. So, look here. In essay 1, as I already discussed, in syllabus we have 4 lessons and 4 poem. Okay, why? Because 2 lessons is minimized by the government. So 2 lesson and 2 poem. So the remaining part is 8 lessons. So equally if we divide 4 lessons, okay, for essay 1 4 lessons and 4 poem, for essay 2 4 lessons and 4 poem. Okay. Shall we move on now for the revision? See, ma'am have clubbed together all the 4 lessons meanings. Ma'am have clubbed together, and see, this is the meanings. Okay, so shall we revise? See, even in the question and answers, ma'am didn't like, I didn't take all the question answers, all the questions. Few questions I just omitted because it's not necessary. Like, for during the revision part, few question answers is okay. Okay, so but anyway, please go through the lesson. I told you again and again, I am telling you, read the lesson. See, you're not going to school now, and it is a peak time for you. Please read. Don't forget to read this 2-letter words, 3-letter words. If you stop reading, then you will find it difficult in the next class. Okay, children, please go through all the lessons, 4 lessons. Okay, shall we start? Spirituality, the concept of being a good human being. Dedicate, devote, desire, wish, earnest, serious, wandering, going from one place to another. See, each meanings you should say at least five times by heart. Why I am recording again, I am telling you, people those who don't have textbook with you, you can see this and read. That is my only one intention. See, if you don't have the textbook, if you didn't collect the books from the school, or you didn't get it, please, you can see this video. Once I post it in the group, please read. Okay, see this, watch this video and learn. Get ready for your essay 1. Okay, children. See, in lesson 1 we have 9 questions, but I didn't take all the 9 question answers. Okay, so we will discuss one by one. Next, see, next, he did it poem. In this he did it poem, conquer, overcome, win, over, venture, undertaking, risky job, unfurl, spread out, humility, humbleness, rigid, provided, stump, to give someone a very difficult problem, foe, enemy, oars, pedal. Now turn the page, turn to 23. Anjali lesson. Couch, a long comfortable seat. Exasperated, irritated, nudging, push gently. Migrate, move from one place to another. See, the same thing you will learn in even bird migration lesson also. Okay, abroad, a foreign country. Persuaded, urged. Fussy, difficult to please. Bratish, badly behaved child. Wrath, angry. It's not angry, it is anger. awkward, lacking in grace, imprisoned, caged, addiction, strong attraction, mellowed, softened, truce, temporary deal, hint of apology, feeling sorry, who and cry, loud fuss, immeasurably assured, very certain. Turn the page. We are moving to great grandmother. Yellowing, discolored, misted, dimmed, stern, strict, frank, straightforward, recognize, understand, identify, find. Moving to Ramesh lesson, the grateful tenant, page number 33. Plague, a nameplate fixed to the wall, engraved, cut words on wood, stone, metal, etc. Outhouse, a small building in the ground floor, usually at the back of the main house, wholeheartedly, completely, and sincerely, selfless, caring about others, not about oneself. Man Friday, trustworthy character, run errands, do petty jobs, reaffirm, prove again. Move on to lineage poem. Plow, page number 40. Large tool used by farmers to turn over the soil before planting crops. Strudiness, strength, quick, busy. Lowland, flatland, highland, mountainous area, marvelous, astonishing, feat, achievement, phenomenon, fact, departure, leaving, exception, not included, nest, stays, halts. Skylark lesson. Skylark, a small singing bird. Speck, tiny shape of the bird. So, to fly high. Swift, quick, stalk a long and narrow part of the plant. Okay, so listen, from here we have 10 question answer, but ma'am didn't take all the 10 question answers, only few I have selected. From here we will go through one by one. Okay, why is the skylark described as a singing speck? The skylark is a small singing bird. It is a very playful and mischievous bird. It flies up and down singing, and it is very small, tiny shape. That is why it is called as singing speck. How are butterflies described? Butterflies are described as the skylark is singing the song, the butterflies are dancing on the wing. What part of the day is mentioned in the poem? It is a sunny morning. What is the mood of the poet? The mood of the poet is listen to the birds and observe nature. Why does the poet say, I knew he had a nest unseen? The poet knows that the skylark's coming nest is hidden among the million stalks. What does migration mean? Now, birds migration lesson. Migration means to the movement of birds from one place to another, from lowlands to highlands, and from the interior to the seacoast. Is migration of birds seasonal? Migration of birds is seasonal. They do travel from place to place for different reasons. Do birds migrate only in search of food? Birds not only migrate in search of food, but also during winter in search of warmer places, because some of them cannot survive. How do birds identify seasonal changes? Birds identify seasonal changes by knowing the length of the day. It is also believed that birds can understand when the days get shorter and when the days get longer. Why do birds migrate? Birds migrate for various reasons. For instance, it is observed that during winter birds go to warmer places because some of them cannot survive. Is migration a necessity? Yes, migration is a necessity because some birds cannot survive during the winter season. How are the Arctic terns champion among migrating birds? Arctic terns are the champions among the birds. They travel an average of 22,000 miles a year. During its flight, the tern nests at different places and takes about 20 weeks to make its trip down to the Antarctic region. Its average speed is 1,000 miles a week. The answer is in page number 45. Okay. Describe the movements of birds during their migration. The movements of birds are seasonal. During winter, birds go to warmer places. It is said that birds can understand the seasonal changes. What is the characteristic features of American golden plover in relation to migration? American plover is an exemption. It makes a long non-stop flight and can fly a distance of about 2400 miles over water without food or stopping. What kind of life did the poet's grandmother lead? The poet's grandmother led a very hard life. They plowed the fields and sowed seeds. List the different types of work grandmother of the Esther years could do. The Esther year grandparents, they were doing plowing, sowing and growing crops. Okay, list the different quality they possess. They are very strong and shrewdness. Why do you think the poet is not as strong as a grandmother? The poet agreed that he is not strong as a grandmother because his grandmother was with quick hands. She was smelling of soup and onion and wet clay with veins rolling over quick hands. What aspects of the elderly people are appealing to the poet? Hard work still in the old age, dedication to the work they undertake. They can do any physical work. Why do you think the poet has used the past and the present tense in this way? See, he is comparing her grandmother and herself, because olden days they all were active and nowadays we are mostly sedentary work. That's why he's comparing the past and the present to work. Why did Ramesh name his home Shyam Kamal? To show his gratitude towards Shyama Rao and Kamala Bai, he had given his house the name Shyam Kamal. Who did Ramesh stay with when he was in Dharwad? Ramesh stayed with an old couple, Shyama Rao and Kamala Bai. Was Kamala Bai selfish? No, she is not selfish. She was selfless. How did Shyama Rao help Ramesh? Shyama Rao helped Ramesh like he would not let Ramesh to go hungry. They treated him like their own son and paid the fees whenever he is in need. Why did Ramesh's friend call him the couple's man Friday? Ramesh's friends called him the couple's man Friday because he used to run errands for them, do odd jobs like going to post office, buying vegetables, fruits, watering the plants and pumping the water out of the tank. Describe Kamala Bai and Shyama Rao. Shyama Rao was a retired postmaster and he gave his place to stay him. Kamala Bai is very selfless woman and she will make a tasty food and share with Ramesh, and Ramesh would feel like he is having meal with his own mother. And in Dharwad, Bida was very famous. Shyama Rao always brought him Bidas, and also when he was unable to pay his fees, the Shyama Rao used to pay it. How can you make old people happy? We can help them in their daily needs and satisfy them by doing small jobs attending them when they are in need. This makes me happy. What has happened to the photograph? The photograph is yellowing and misted over by time. What expression does the poet read in the eyes of his great grandmother? Her eyes are stern, but they can laugh too. Describe the poet's great grandmother as she appears in the photograph. Her looks are frank and serious, her eyes are stern, her hair is pulled back tightly in a bun. She wears no jewelry, she wears a black dress. What were the feelings that the poet experienced when he looked at the photograph of his great grandmother? The poet felt that, may my great grandmother feel as close to me as I now do to her. What feelings run in poet's mind as he looks at the photograph of his great grandmother? The poet felt his grandmother is looking out at feels that his grandmother is looking out at him. He feels close to her, though he never knew her. He is able to recognize himself in her. He wishes that may his great grandchildren feel as close to him as he then did to his own grandmother. How old was Anjali's grandfather? Why was it difficult for him to live in village? Dada is already 70 years old and he could not look after himself, and he was too old to run the farm by himself. Why did Anjali's mother remove all their things from the cupboard? Anjali's mother removed all their things from the cupboard because Anjali's grandparents needed to keep their things in the cupboard. They would come to stay there. How is India described by the writer? India is a land of many religions and cultures. People here take both pleasure and pain alike. They are dedicated and duty bounded in this land. Many people. What kind of a coachman did Narendra's mother want him to become? Narendra's mother wanted him to become like Krishna, who taught Arjuna. Why did Narendra want to be a coachman? He wanted to be a coachman because he felt that it was nice to drive a coach. Why was Narendra named Vireshwara? Narendra was named Vireshwara because their parents prayed to Lord Shiva and they believed that Lord Shiva gave the child. Why was Narendra considered a wandering monk? Narendra went on, walked miles, travelled all over the country to discover the truth. Naren was kind to all. He had sympathy for the poor. He was courageous too. These qualities helped him become a wandering or a moving monk. What kind of education did Narendra advocate? Narendra advocated that education should develop a complete human being. What made the audience in the Parliament of Religions give thunderous applause to Narendra? Narendra began his address with the words, Sisters and Brothers of America. Immediately, there was thunderous applause from the vast audience. Why is the sea so confident that the young man will not be able to conquer him? The sea thought that young man was not a whale or a shark to swim fast, and also he cannot walk on the waves. What did the young man do on listening to the challenge of the sea? On listening to the challenge of the sea, he made a boat that can able to float. Why did the young man made the mast? The young man made the mast because it can sail on the sea. How did the sea show its greatness of the heart? It showed like he accepted that the Eggman had conquered him, conquered the sea. Do you think the poet is telling a story? Yeah, I think the poem celebrates the discoveries of great explorers of the world and how they have discovered new places and sea routes facing a lot of difficulties. Who win, the man or the sea? The man. The man is the conqueror. The man is the conqueror. Okay, so 4 lessons, 4 poem question answers, and the meanings are here. Please kindly go through it and study. If you have any doubt, write and see. Okay, children. Thank you.